Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds. Join me on a mesmerizing journey into the world of circle art drawing, where every curve tells a story and every stroke ignites imagination. From vibrant mandalas to intricate designs, let's explore the endless possibilities of expression through a circle. So grab your pencils and let's embark on a colorful voyage together. Experience the extraordinary journey of mom, dad, and baby love, where every hug is a sanctuary, every smile a symphony, and every milestone a triumph. Through sleepy lullabies, playful giggles, and tender moments, witness the unbreakable bond that weaves this family together. From late night cuddles to first steps and beyond, their love knows no bounds, shaping a legacy of warmth and belonging. Join us as we celebrate the purest form of love, the eternal bond between mom, dad, and baby. Into the enchanting world of mom, dad, and baby love, where melody of devotion and every glance carries the promise of a lifetime of affection. Through the gentle cares of a mother's touch, the steadfast support of a father's embrace, and the innocent wonder of a baby's gaze, witness the symphony of love that orchestrates their lives. From tender bedtime stories to joyous family adventures, they navigate life's journey hand in hand, bound by an unbreakable thread of love. Join us as we revel in the beauty of this timeless tale where mom, dad, and baby become the embodiment of unconditional love. Stay tuned. Until then, keep watching, keep creating, keep exploring. And please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much, my dear viewers.